Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Matchless Kungfu game on your PC. Guys, first open up your Android browser, just search for the Steam website, and once you search for it, simply open it, then just click on this login option you are seeing on the right hand top. Guys, here simply sign into your account, and if you don't have an account, then just scroll down, you'll see the option of create an account, so just create account on Steam. Guys, this is very simple and easy. After that, just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Now, once you click on that, hit simply download the Steam and install it on your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. So once you download and install the Steam, open it, then just click on the top search box and just type in the game, which is the Matchless Kungfu. Now, once you type this game, now this game appeared on the top. So open up this the Matchless Kungfu game. Now here on this page, just scroll down, guys, scroll down. You will see the option of add to cart. Now, if you want to download and install this game demo version, then click on the add to library option, then click on the OK. Now if you want to download and install the original game, you have to click on this option of add to cart you are seeing right here. Now just click on this option of view my cart, then just click on this option of continue to payment. Guys, once you click on that, here simply pay with the PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pay the amount, now game was added to your Steam library, then just go to the library of Steam, and on the left hand side just find this game, just search for this game, and once you find it, guys, once you search for it, this game appear on the top. So open up this game. This is the demo version, then just click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this be helpful, so please consider liking, and bye bye and take care.